So hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with our voltmeter, how to show the effect of the grounding products on electrosmog. We have two cables. The black one I just connect with the grounding, whether on the grounding product or directly on the grounding of the socket, that doesn't matter. It's easier to go here. And the red one I touch with the skin, and you see I have some voltage on my body. And the closer I come to any electric wire, the higher it is. Now, as soon as I touch with my hand the grounding product, you can see the electricity on my body drops below zero. So this shows 2 points. One is the product is working, and the next is it prevents you from electrosmog. It's easy, isn't it?